How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of gynecomastia, step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So there's actually a study done with gynecomastia. I forget who did the study, but they interviewed people to see if that person thought they had gynecomastia. And what they would do is they would interview them, then a doctor would actually check them to see if they actually had gynecomastia. About 95% of people said they had gynecomastia, when only about 3% of people actually had it. The point here is that most people that think they have gynecomastia actually don't. Now, some of you watching this video might get mad at me and say, hey, I have it. Okay, if you have it, that's fine. If you don't have it, that's actually really good, because then we can help get rid of the situation very, very easy. Keep in mind, gynecomastia sometimes doesn't stay around forever. It does sometimes go away. So keep that in mind. So let's just say you think you have gynecomastia. Again, I don't know your personal history right now. I don't know if you do or you don't, but let's just say you think you have gynecomastia. What I want you to do, and this is super, super, super important, is you need to start losing a little bit of weight. Doesn't have to be much, but you need to start losing weight. Now, if you're watching this and you're super, super skinny already, then obviously don't lose weight. Skip to the next part. The next part, and this is where everybody messes this up. Everybody. Because you'll hear videos and articles and all these people that are telling you to get rid of gynecomastia. They'll say train your chest, do bench, flat dumbbell, all these exercises. That is the worst advice that you can give someone. The reason being is, if we're trying to get rid of that gynecomastia, it looks like chest fat. Training the lower chest will make your chest saggy if it already has fat. What people need to be doing is training their upper chest. By training your upper chest, it will still get rid of the lower chest fat, but it puts muscle in the top and it makes it look better. That's why you'll hear a lot of people say, don't overdo it on the flat barbell bench and the flat dumbbell, because you can give your chest a saggy look if you put all your effort in that. Whenever I started training my chest, it was always, for every one set of flat barbell bench, I did 2 sets of either incline dumbbell or incline dumbbell flies. And my chest looks really good. There's no sagging, there's nothing to it. So I believe people do way too much flat bench training. So if you're watching this, and again, if you're not skinny, you're a little bit overweight, start losing a little bit of weight. But with your chest training, I recommend only doing upper chest training for the time being. So do incline dumbbell bench, do incline barbell, do incline chest flies. Those 3 exercises, you should really be putting a lot of effort into that. You can still do some flat barbell bench if you want to, but I wouldn't do too much of it. And again, start losing weight. And what you'll notice is a lot of that chest fat will go away. And you may notice, like, hey, I don't actually have gynecomastia, because if you have lots of chest fat, like, it does give the appearance of gynecomastia. It honestly does. So if you lose the chest fat, you get to a normal body weight, and you still notice it looks like gynecomastia, I do recommend going to the doctor to get it checked out. But for most people, I guarantee you it will go away. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.